Okay, now let's see. Let's play the keyword game. Okay, so I want you to make 2 sentences out of the words that we have on the board. Who wants to try? Yes. Give me 2.
sometimes go to Union.
I sometimes go to Newington. Give me another sentence.
I sometimes take a bath.
You sometimes take a bath? Oh my goodness.
My pool.
What? Yeah, no. Give me something on Shoki, go.
I always listen to my teacher.
Thank you very much. Give me one more.
I sometimes have my mother cook.
Mocha, go.
I always take a shower.
Oh,
I never go to class.
me neither.
I never put rice in my miso soup.
Really? That's so yummy.
Usually. I always help my mother with chores.
Ooh, nice. Good girl.
I never watch TV while having dinner.
I never watch TV while eating dinner. Good boy. Give me another.
I never speak Japanese with my English.
Thank you, sir.
Me too.
Good. Thank you, guys. Maria, go.
I always listen to my parents.
Oh, good girl.
Me
Give me
too.
one more.
I always speak English with my English friends.
Thank you so much. Me too. Thank you.
I occasionally go to onsen.
Occasionally go to onsen?
Me too.
Okay.
I
Yeah, me too.
never study on my own.
I never studied with me. Alrighty.
I sometimes do homework after school.
Nice.
I always take a bath.
Great job, Bruce. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ready?
Yeah.
Who wants to try?
Me.
You can do anything. I don't care. Shoki, go.
Our family trip to Osaka is going to cost 853,500 yen.
Good job. Who wants to go? Who wants to go? Maria, go.
Our school trip to America is going to cost 637,935 yen.
Very good. Who wants to go next? Who wants to go? Leo.
Gari costs 75 yen.
Oh, I forgot a word, right?
Yeah, cool.
What is it?
Cool.
Sorry, guys. Ah, it's not keen. It's kun. I put keen. Got a keen. Thank you, Leo. Okay, who has another one for me? You go.
Our school trips to America is going to cost 653,435 yen.
Good. Who has something from our vehicle?
Our school trip to America is going to cost 653,437,935 yen.
Okay, I only have time for one more. Let's give it to Mocha. Go.
Our school trip to America
Ooh.
is going to cost 653,437,935 yen.
How did you do it?
No,
Give me this one. Go.
my friend's bicycle costs 75,650 yen.
Good.
Where hospital now? Because my baby is not you think so funny.
Who can say this one?
Me.
Who can say this one?
Me.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank.
Me.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank. Who can say it?
Me.
Shoki. Hold on. Ready? Go.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank.
No, come here. Go.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank. Ooh.
I want to get a new filtering system for my fish tank.
Okay, great job everybody. 1, 2. If I can do it, you can do it. Get ready to